What's up everyone, welcome back to the ECP. First things first, during this situation with the COVID-19, please keep yourself safe, follow the guidelines that the government has given out, and if you're a key worker who watches my channel or is watching this, thank you very much for your effort during this situation and keep yourselves safe. Now, moving forward, like I said, welcome back to the ECP. It's been a while and thank you for tuning back in. Now, I need to apologise. Obviously, I have not been uploading any videos anytime soon. Multiple reasons for that. One, obviously, situation right now, COVID-19. It's just not practical for me to do anything. It's just not feasible for me to do anything. And I'm currently not working. I have to be at home, as does most other people. But prior to that, I still haven't done many videos. I've just been too busy with work. As well as additional training on top of that. It's just been hectic lately and I've just not had the time to do it. So that's one of the other reasons. Another reason is also I put my house on the market not long before the COVID-19 kicked in. So I had all that to deal with. That's coming on hold with the situation as well, which is not making things easy. As well as obviously there's other things going on. You know, sometimes you just things with your other half just doesn't go forward anymore, and you go in a new direction. So I've still got that going on. So all in all, with all of that, I've just not had time to do anything. But since my last video, I don't have a Nissan Juke Nismo anymore. As I'm a Honda Tech, a very nice, rare, championship white FN2 Honda Civic Type R came in, and I had to have it. So I bought that, but I never got around to doing a video because since selling the Juke, getting the Type R, I then decided obviously I was going in a different direction personally. House went up for the market. I needed a more practical car for the time being, so that went, and I've got a Ford Kuga. Yes, I know. You're thinking, what on earth? But just for the situation, with me moving, with everything going on, it was just practical for now. So yeah, that's what I've got at the moment. And no, I won't be modifying it. So don't expect any modifying movies on that. So obviously there's nothing going to happen anytime soon. Hopefully some later on in the year. Obviously I had lots planned. I was going to go to lots of big shows this year. I was off to the Belgian Grand Prix. I was going to do a video on that. I was going to do a lot. But obviously it's just not happening. So I'm just going to have to put everything on the back burner until all that gets sorted and things with me get sorted. So there we are. So I do apologise. So what I am doing though, if you need any advice or any help on any car issues, please comment on the YouTube channel or comment on the Instagram page or the Facebook page. All links will be in the description. I can't guarantee you I'll know everything because I obviously don't, and I never will know everything. But if I can assist you, I will. So there we are with the ECP going forward. Right now it's just on hold. I'm not going anywhere. I will be back. So thank you for your patience, and hopefully you stay tuned in and continue to follow me. Going forward though, for the time being, I have set up another Instagram page and possibly another Facebook page, which is more going to follow me personally. Why you want to do that? Probably don't, to be fair. But what it will be focusing on is me getting all my tattoos finished and done. I'm going to have a lot done. Most of my body will be eventually tattooed. So if you like tattoos, definitely join in with that. I will be getting myself into shape as well, so a bit of progression with me getting into shape, getting some beef back on. No, I'm not going to bore you with do this 10,000 calories, 2,000 calories, none of that rubbish. I'm not going to bore you with that. It's just a little thing I'll probably do with that, and just general out and about with me and the dog, who's fast asleep next to me, Poppy. If you're not seeing her yet, beautiful little French bulldog. She's my bread and butter, and with my daughters, who are the jewel in my eyes. Also, if you've noticed since my last videos, I've got a bit of a beard coming on. Now, that bad boy is going to be going big. Yeah, I love a good beard, and I'm now growing it again. I did have one in the past, That went before I did any videos, but it's coming back. So there's going to be a lot of videos on that rate. Not videos, but you know, progression on that. It's going to be down somewhere. Somewhere. It's going to be big. Also my hair and all that malarkey. Going on with the beard though, I'm also a beard ambassador for the Beard Struggle. It's an online company that sell all beard products. They've got some own branded stuff. They have a real nice like heated beard brush. So you get, and they also do oils, balms, quite a lot. It's a real good company. Funnily enough, actually today my first purchase from them arrived, so I'm going to show you that as well. So yeah, I'm a beard ambassador for them, so I'll be using their products for my beard as it grows. Obviously, if you have a beard or you want to grow a beard, it's worth watching me on my new Insta page and following me there. Also, I do have a discount code specifically from me for thebeardstruggle.com. The discount code, I'll put it in the link below. Also, a link to their website. The website is this, thebeardstruggle.com. You're not really going to see much. It's all going to be backwards, probably how you're viewing it. But yeah, it's really good. I mean, I think they're American based, but the products for the UK come from the UK. So it only took about 3 days for me to get this kit, which was great. PayPal, which is always safe, so there's no worries there. And they've got a sale on at the moment. And with that sale, if you use I'm going to use a 15% discount code, which is AMartin15. If you key that in at the checkout, you'll get an additional 15% off whatever sale products they are. So obviously I'll leave that down in the description as well as a link to their website. Now, like I said, they've got various balms, oils. One of the biggest kits is their survival pack. Now this is how it came today. So in the Viking kind of detailing, which is a like. I'm not even opened it yet, so everything's still wrapped up. But yeah, it's coming in the box. First thing I've got is a nice wooded brush with the detailing on. So that's quite nice. Quite like that. I feel like a horse right now. I would say stallion, but I wouldn't go that far. That is really satisfying. That is nice. That's satisfying. So in the box, we've got more bag of goodies. And a nice sticker on it. I like little things like this. Your order was packed by Sabe, I think. Or Sabs. Viking nickname Odin. Favourite scent Odin's Virtual. Favourite product, Ultimate Kit. And this is what we've got in front of me. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you some bits and bats. If you have no interest in beard or what I've got or what's in this pack, you might want to turn it off now and just wait for me to upload a car video further down the line. But if you're interested in growing a beard, you have a beard, and you just want to follow me in general, carry on watching. So what we've got so far, we have got FU Cancer by the Beard Struggle band. Always got support stuff like that. Yeah, that's great. FU Cancer sticker. First one that I've got is Viking Honor Night Liquid. Nice glass bottle. I'm interested to know what this smells like. There's also oils and balms. Oh, it's like it's mint. It's like humbugs. Oh, that's nice. That is nice. You know, like mint humbugs. Imagine you smelling like that. That's quite nice, to be fair. So we've got Day Liquid Tonic. What's this one? So this is another oil. So they're only small, but it only recommends that you apply 6 to 8 drops, so that'll last you a while. I don't know what to make of that one. It's fresh though, it's really fresh. Yeah, that's nice. It's fresh. That one's a lot mintier. That one's just fresh. I can't pinpoint the actual smell of it, to be fair. So yeah, you get an information of all their products: balm, drop kit, trim kit. You know, they don't just do balms and stuff. They do various other actual like scissors and stuff like that. Stuff to maintain your beard. What we've got here, we have got beard balm, gentleman's beard balm. So it's like, a lot of it does smell minty, but it's like very musky. So you got shea butter, castor oil, rice bran oil, macadamia, I can't pronounce it, oil, almond oil, avocado oil, sunflower oil, argan oil, beeswax essential oil. So a lot of oils in that. That's nice. We've got this one. We've got beard conditioner. Now, I've had a beard before. It's a lot like your hair. You have to watch it. You get beard druff. Basically, it's dandruff on your beard. You don't want that. It don't look nice. Instead of wrapping off that and have a smell of this. It's got to smell nice. Has to smell nice. What I want though is I want the nice brown sort of like leather bag for all this stuff. Oh, it's nice. Everything just smells really. Obviously, it's not going to smell like crap, but it smells nice. It's a very fresh smell. Now, I dig this. This is nice. Nice detailing. So this is a wooden brush. So we've got the Beard Struggle on there. The Beard Struggle logo, which is like a Viking. Look at that bad boy. Sorry, rocking up. So my beard ain't really long enough for this. Not yet. It will be, trust me. Rocking up with one of these. I don't think I do it in public, that look a bit silly. But yeah, definitely. I like that. I like wooden stuff. I used to work with wood, you see, so anything that's wooden, really up my street. We've got beard wash here, so that's like a conditioner. That's the conditioner. This is like the shampoo, so I'm guessing they're going to smell the same. And we have another balm by the looks of it. So we've got 2 oils, 2 balms, and a beard wash and a conditioner, as well as 2 brushes and a transfer balm. Gentle scuff balm. So this one smells like. Yeah. I'm going to say again, it's nice. Of course they're nice. So that's that one. So all this, I think, at the moment, let's have a look actually. Let's have a look on their website. I believe. So we've got the beard kits. So this is the Beard Struggle Ultimate Kit. Normally £114. It's currently on their website now for £81. Then, if you put in my 15% discount code, which is below with a link to this, amartin15, you know, you're not far off getting that half price. Like I said, it took 3 days. Obviously, you get the 2 oils, 2 balms, beard wash, 2 nice detailed brushes, wooden format, which is great. Yeah, so that's not bad. And you've got everything there to really grow your beard, and you can progress with that. You can get the travel bag, which I'm going to get, which is nice. They have a heated brush, straight net, and volume, I can't say bush. There you go. That's their own branded paint and product. that looks good. I'll get one of them, but for me, not until the big it's big. But yeah, all in all, it's a nice little package and it's a good starter for yourselves if you want to get into the beard. I like it. Not everyone likes it. Some women like it. Some women don't like it. But yeah, so if you want to follow me with my tattoos, my beard, getting into shape, general life stuff, then follow the link below for my Instagram page. It is that_bearded_tattooed_man. And then you just get to keep up with what I'm doing, and you can communicate with me. Let me know if you're outgrowing a beard, how you're getting on, etc. Let me know if the code works as well, if you're going to use it. And if you do use it, it actually does help me moving forward as well. I can also, it also links with the ECP Auto Club as well, and vice versa. So they're sort of going to run side by side, and they all will benefit each other. But there you go, guys. I'm back in some sort of fashion. The cars will be back eventually later on in the year. But till then, hopefully I'll see you on the Instagram page. And I'll see you in the next video. Please keep safe, keep healthy, and we can get through this virus and move on in our lives further down the line. Take care, guys.